What up, Kev?
What up, Jessmeister?
Got a different vibe over here today, huh?
I know. We're gonna deconstruct the Whopper King. One of the questions I'm frequently asked is, how do I come up with recipe ideas? I always tell people the same things. I take foods I enjoy, deconstruct them, and then reimagine them in a more healthful way. But today, instead of telling you, I'm gonna show you what I do to find inspiration and variety for my diet. This is Recipes Reimagined. Today, I wanted to try out one of the most popular burgers, the Bacon Whopper King. The BK Bacon and Cheese Whopper meal clocks in at a staggering 1,500 calories, with nearly 40% of those calories coming from fat. If you were eating 2,000 calories a day, this meal would make up 75% of your diet, and you'd be over the suggested daily fat intake by 5%. That's about 105%, y'all. The biggest calorie culprits are the fats from the meat, cheese, and sauce, and the sugars from the soft drink. Let's deconstruct this recipe and see how we can reduce the calories but keep the delicious flavor. I was tasting it to make sure that it was a real thing. I'm tasting it for the internet. First thing we're gonna do is work on the meat. Now the obvious choice is to use a lean chicken or a lean turkey, but we're gonna try to keep this as close to the Whopper as possible. So we're gonna use lean beef, and this is a 96% lean beef that's gonna cut the calories substantially. Next, I'm tossing in jalapeno because capsaicin helps to cut the appetite, then onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. And you can swap out the onion powder and garlic powder for my FitMenCook Everyday blend. Add sea salt and pepper, then get your hands dirty. So I'm gonna portion out roughly 5 ounces of meat for the patty. Patty's ready. So for our French fry fix, we're gonna make some smashed taters. I think this is so much easier to recreate, and smashed taters are really, really tasty, and you can use them for almost any side for any meal. All you need is a fingerling or cream of potato. First, you're gonna bring some water to a boil, add some salt to the water, add in the potatoes, and add in a tablespoon of baking soda. Fire up your air fryer to about 420 or your oven. So once they've cooled down enough that we can manage, we're gonna place them here on a chopping block, grab a cup, and we're gonna gently just smash it down. And place them on a baking tray or in your air fryer basket. Spray them generously with some avocado oil or a high smoke point oil, salt and pepper. Flip them over, do the exact same thing. Fire up a non-stick skillet on medium-high heat, spray with olive oil or avocado oil, then toss in the patty. Cook the patty on both sides until your desired readiness. And let's melt a thin slice of reduced fat cheddar at the end. The bad news is we're not gonna add bacon to ours. Good news is we're gonna add something that's equally tasty. Instead of the bacon, we're gonna swap that out for shiitake mushroom. And if we add things like the liquid aminos or some soy sauce, saute these right on up in the same stuff that we cook the meat in, they come out to be super delicious and succulent. So the last bit of work here is the sauce. Mix reduced fat olive oil mayonnaise with a generous serving of sriracha and some fresh garlic. Whip it together and it's delicious. The final ingredient that we gotta talk about is the bread. Now, of all the swaps, this one was the most difficult because there's so many bread options out there. But I went with one that has a higher carb count, but it has less artificial ingredients and tons of whole grains. Lightly spray the bun with some olive oil or butter, then toast in the oven. Now let's build our Whopper. Sauce, patty, mushrooms, pickles, onions, tomato, lettuce, and top it all off. Add a serving of the smashed taters, and swap out that soft drink for a delicious peach ginger iced tea. There's no sugar needed. And to further reduce the calories from carbohydrates, you can swap out the potatoes for air-fried or roasted cauliflower. Here's our nutritional breakdown. Our reimagined BK cheese and shiitake Whopper clocks in at 620 calories with 19 grams of fat, 56 grams of carbohydrates, and 46 grams of protein. That's almost a 60% reduction in calories. But how does it taste? You don't want yours, I'll eat it, Jesse.
That good, huh? That good?
I think you would be pretty happy with this. It's that good. Tell me that's not good though.
It's so good.
It's really good. If you like videos like this, I invite you to smash that like button below. Comment below which recipe or which deconstruction video that you would like to see next. I want you to put your favorite fast food or mama's recipe or your aunties or something from the family reunion, and we will deconstruct it. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you have to ring the bell so that way you can be notified whenever we post hot new content here in the FitMenCook kitchen. Until next time, I want y'all to keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Boom! Bye y'all.